Dump SAM databases. Here I have Windows 10 operating system and Windows Server 2012 operating system. Windows Server 2012 has IP address 192.168.159.249. First, we need to create user into Windows Server 2012. So first let me create one user. Username is a test user and password is abc. Click on create. You can see the password does not meet the password policy requirement. So we have to give complex password for these users. So let me disable complexity in Windows Server 2012 using group policy. So open run menu and type gpedit.msc and click on OK. Now go to the Windows setting, go to the security setting, account policy, password policy, and password must meet complexity requirement. Please disable it. Click on apply, click on OK. Now we need to run gp update command. Now create user, test user, and give password abc for demo purpose. Just click on create and user has been created. Now we need to go to the Windows 10 machine. To dump same database of the Windows Server 2012, you need to download fgdump tool to gather password hash value of Windows Server 2012. You can download fgdump from fufus.net website. Here you can see commands of fgdump, like how you can gather target machines SAM database information. Just click on download and then you will get fgdump software. Here you can see source information available. I've already downloaded fgdump into C drive. You can see I've already downloaded fgdump 2.1.0. Now need to just open cmd. Here you can see C drive list. Just go to the fgdump directory and now just type fgdump define hostname 192.168.159 or 240. You can define hostname or IP address and need to give username for the target machine and password of the target machine. It will dump hash database to the C drive. It will take a few seconds. Process has been failed because you can see we used 192.168.159.240, but Windows Server 2012 has IP address 249. So please make sure When you run this command, I did mistake, just give 249 and give enter. Here you can see successful. Use dir command to see password information of the remote machine. Here you can see 249 database information. You can also check graphically using Windows Explorer. Here you can see list of pw dump. Now use more pw dump file. Here you can see this is user information and it is lm hash. In latest operating system it is disabled. Now use the anti-lm hash. You can see anti-lm hash of the password for the test user and administrator user. So thank you for watching this video.